What happens if divorce mediation is unsuccessful? First of all, for the mediator, it's heartbreaking because you know that what is coming is terribly expensive litigation that can also be terribly heart-wrenching. And I can tell you that people never get over what has to happen in a divorce court to go through a divorce trial. Things that have to be said, such as ugly things about the relationship that are required by our law on grounds for divorce, those things can't be unheard. Those things can't be unsaid. The damage done around the saying of some of those things will be permanent, and it will permanently affect this family. And it's important at this juncture, I think, to remember that you are still going to be a family. There's not a court order that says this isn't a family anymore. You may be redefined. You may not technically be married, but that doesn't mean you're not a family. And the damage done in the trial process, and I'm not even getting yet to the financial damage done in the trial process, but the emotional damage done in the trial process is irretrievable. And here's what we also know from decades of study about that damage and about those who have to go through that process to get resolution as opposed to resolving it themselves. That permanent damage has a weird tail effect and a very unpleasant tail attached to it, in that it will almost guarantee further litigation down the road because it is unresolved in a way that one or both of the parties desired. When a third party who doesn't know you, doesn't love you, didn't raise your children, didn't collect your assets, didn't eat peanut butter for months to pay the mortgage, when that stranger to your family makes these decisions, it is rarely a happy day for either side, and it results in continued litigation a large percentage of the time. So that's what's coming if we can't find a resolution. Does sometimes that have to be the result? Yes. Sometimes it's just inevitable. It cannot be avoided, and that path is going to have to be taken. But that doesn't mean it's not heartbreaking to watch.